Welcome to the African way. Hello, welcome to Eating the African Way. If you're new here, please comment, subscribe and like. Today we're going to make something very simple. We're going to make a simple breakfast. It can be breakfast, it can be lunch, it can be anything or a snack. So this is called the chips mayai in Kiswahili. Okay, right now people no longer want to make very hard breakfast because breakfast in Africa, women are supposed to make breakfast every morning. So we don't want to go for katogo where we have to put matoke, offals. That's a long process. And yet you could just put Irish and simple things. So what you're going to need today, we're going to need Irish, we're going to need eggs, we're going to need salt, we're going to need cooking oil and our onion. Onion is optional. You can put onions, you can put tomatoes, yeah, anything. Yeah, so what you're going to do, these are already peeled, as you see. So we're going to slice them into chips. Yeah, don't make them so thin though. When you make them thin, they're going to be dry, and we don't want something dry. We need something that is food, not just a snack for this. After slicing them, we are going to spice them with anything we have. Though, for today, I'm just going to put salt. So in the chips, we have to put salt and also in the eggs. Yeah. So make sure you don't put a lot of salt. You don't want to fail to eat your food. This will just help the salt to distribute evenly. So the chips are now ready. Yeah. So what you're going to do, we're going to transfer them to the pan, and then we can go to other step. You don't have to make them so dry like I said. You just put them a little bit, not too dry. So what you're going to do, you're just going to transfer direct. You don't need to put in this, but you can do that. But now, to save cooking oil and not to put too much cooking oil also in our food, just going to transfer direct. This is after deep frying the chips. Now we're going to just fry a little bit. You can season the egg still. First, we just put salt, enough salt. I love onions in my food. I put a lot. Well, you can even serve this with kachumbari. Yeah, raw onions and tomatoes. You can use coleslaw. You're going to find it in the description below. So I'm going to let the chips be there, like one side first cook. The eggs to cook very well. Remember, our chips are ready. You don't have to make them half ready. This is ready. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, so right now, the only way you can tell that down is ready, it has become firm when you look at it, and also when you do this, it's already golden brown. Yeah, so we're going to turn it. Time to turn. That time to turn is really scary. Yeah, but we're going to manage. You have to make sure both sides cook. Yeah, so we're going to wait for like 5 minutes and it's ready to serve. This can take you about 30 minutes or less according to how much you're making. Yeah, but this has taken me 25 to 30 minutes. That's peeling, cutting, frying, and doing this. Yeah, so since our meal is ready, we're going to put on a plate. You can serve it on a board, a pizza board, or a plate, a normal plate. Just put it like that. You don't have to flip, just put it like that. So you can serve this with ketchup, chili, kachumbari, coleslaw, anything you like. Ta-da!
So which kind of people do such a meal?
Well, any people can do this, but mostly the Swahili people. That's why the name is chips mayai. It's in the Swahili way. People from Kenya, people from Tanzania, they all know this. I know when you hear chips mayai, it can ring a bell. Yeah. So people, like how you see Rolex of Uganda, in Tanzania, it's everywhere, like everywhere. Just go and say, I want chips mayai. It's everywhere and very nice. Yeah. You can make this for your kids. You can make this for your husband. You can make this for visitors, like something very fast. Yeah, you just need something small. How is this? Tell us on a scale of 10. I give it an 11 myself.
That is cheating.
No, but 10 out of 11 out of 10. What? Give us an honest.
Okay, this is my first time, and I'm giving it 10 out of 10.
Oh, this is amazing.
I think this is. You mentioned about in a quick times, like sorry.
Chili. I know. Oh God.
Like morning times, you have less time in the morning, so this is, you can make this quickly. It's so good. I don't know, for singles, I don't know.
Even singles, you can do it. You who is single, you can always do this.
Wow, you can eat people.
And it's fattening. Too much. But it's very good.
But I advise you don't add chili if you don't like chili.
I didn't add chili on my side because I know I want to enjoy it. Yeah, but you can also, it's actually very good with mayonnaise, it's good with kachumbari. But like we said, we want something very fast, so we don't need to make all that. Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. My channel is Simply Nasra. Please subscribe, please, and watch my videos like this. And also, I make cakes. I bake cakes here in Uganda, Kampala. You can always go on my Instagram, bake for me, or Kiran Amri. It's KIRANAMRI, Kiran Amri on Instagram. Follow me, give a like, ask anything. Yeah, I make very nice cakes. Ta-da! Bye!